Do you want to learn the easiest way to start painting with watercolors in just 3 days? Awaken your inner artist and create peaceful and relaxing moments for yourself? Become a Watercolor Creator is a simple, relaxing, and easy to follow step-by-step class which will give you a clear understanding on how to start with watercolors without all the confusion. It will help you to spend more time creating and less time doing research. The main focus on this course is to have fun and enjoy the process of becoming a watercolor painter. With Become a Watercolor Creator, you will learn how to use watercolors using a proven system that not only teaches you how to paint, but also shows you how you can gather inspiration step by step, organize your ideas for your paintings, select color palettes, how to create mood boards, how to choose the best materials to start, and of course, all the techniques and tips that will get you on the right track. With life going so fast, we all need time to slow down and have calm and relaxing moments. Many studies show that making art can significantly reduce stress-related hormones. Being a full-time mom, I spend most of my day on family activities. Sometimes it just gets overwhelming. Thankfully, 10 years ago, I learned that through painting, I recharge myself with positive energy. What started as a hobby and a passion became the way I make a living. Art has brought me the opportunity to work with important brands, show my art internationally, and have worldwide clients. Throughout all of these years painting, I've tried a bunch of techniques, methods, and materials, and I want to make it easier for you, show you the most simple and easy way to start. I want to share with you what I wish I knew when I started 10 years ago, and save you all the waste of time and money. The best part of this course is that anyone, regardless their profession or age, can learn how to watercolor. I truly believe that the creative practice of painting will allow you to access a more peaceful state of mind, which will help you to become a more present and relaxed person. With this simple and fast course, you will have the possibility to learn a new skill that will give you the personal satisfaction of creating paintings that will make you feel proud while enjoying it and having fun. So, if you're ready to take action and start enjoying watercolor in just 3 days with a proven system, click the link below and enroll today.